of traders, this is Ken Calhoun, president of TradeMastery.com, coming at you live with our calls for today. We did really good today playing the inverses, okay, like SOXS. That was my favorite chart of the day. As you can see here, I called that long for my members at 21.7. Let me move this out of the way here so you can see. When it was down here at 21.6, I issued a long alert for my traders at 21.7, and I ran all the way up to 23 and change. So a really good, spectacular run to the upside. How many of you are trading inverse instruments right now? It's usually a good idea to buy things that go up. And these go up when the stock market goes down. Dump, bump, bump, bump. So SOXS is great. SQs is also good. And UVXY. Those are my three favorites. And LabD. A nice runner up today. So it's really good alerts for our members today. Here is SOXS. That was our long call right there. And think how much money could you have made had you traded that on the way up. Now, one thing I wanted to mention for you guys is the MACD signal that I put together. It's what I call a MACD money charts. And the reason is one could have potentially made some money with that signal. And I have it flipped so that green crossing over red is the signal line. I changed it from the default to make a green the signal line and red the step parameter line. Anyway, so when the green crossed above the red, that flashed a buy alert to my members to confirm my earlier winning long call at 21.7. So a price action trigger that I issued was to go long at 21.7. That was followed up shortly thereafter by the MACD also flashing a buy signal for our members here at just around the 22 level. You can see it crossed over maybe 22.10. Anyway, and then it had a sell signal here, okay? So you get in on the way up, sell it on the pullback, and then you can always buy again on a cut pattern breakout into the close up here. And it's a really good runner. So anyway, exclusively at my live trading room, can you get this access to see the MACD money chart feature that I developed. I tested out dozens of different parameter step settings to see which ones gave optimum profile, kind of curve fitting for what really nails good triggers for our charts of the type of charts that I like to trade. And this is a really good example of a winner from today. So this is SOXS with a nice run to the upside. Of course, there's other ones. I'm not going to spend much time on it. Well, here's the market, by the way. And here's the sell signal in the S&P from the MACD. So this is a sell signal right there. Perfect sell signal before it dropped down. And then here's a cover the short signal right there. And then another short signal there. Sorry, this thing's going back and forth. Let me give you a couple other charts here to take a gander at. Here's SQs with a long signal right here. And now I said long at where? 37.7. So I called it about the same place. I put in my personal long call at about the same place that the MACD signal flashed a buy and produced a really good winning alert for anybody that took it. So these are the type of charts that I like to cover in my live room. And of course, we also cover some of the today's runners like AKAM and AMC and DraftKings and Meta and ARBE and Tesla and whatnot. But what I really like was the inverses today because they did so well. Let me see here. This will flash away here. SOXS, our long call is 555. It ran up a bit here. It's still up, and again, there was the buy signal in our MACD setting. So, but my favorite one, the one that, and here's a final one is LabD. And again, here's the buy signal in the LabD, and it ran up all the way from 15 to just around 17. So anyways, if you're interested in learning these types of charts with live real-time alerts, specific alerts to the penny of where to get in, where to get out, for paper trading, educational use only, I have to say that for compliance reasons, but you do what you're going to do. But my calls are good, and you may want to try them out for yourself and see just how well you can do. Rather than try and bottom fish cheap stocks that don't go anywhere, I like things that actually go up, and preferably at least a point or so for the day, a point or two, like this guy did from 15 to 1680. One of my smart traders had mentioned this one to us as well. So we've got a really good team, a lot of smart traders, and together hopefully we can achieve more. And if you'd like to join us do be sure to visit my live room site at trademastery.com/live. And that's www.trademastery.com/live. Operators are not standing by, but the internet is, and you can sign up with PayPal or one shopping cart. And so I'd like to see in the live room. I'm the go-to guy for inverses. I've traded millions and millions of dollars worth of these over the years, since over 15 years ago, so from back before the flash crash day. So when the market drops, I'm the guy you want to learn from, especially in today's market. So join me now. Head on over to trademastery.com/live. Go ahead and join up, and I'll see you in the live room. Take care, and best wishes for success in your trades. See you next time. Bye for now. Stay safe and trade smart.